At Na Gaeil Óga, we are lucky to have so many committed coaches and mentors. 25% of our adult players were involved in coaching in some capacity last year, which must be a record. However, we would be nowhere without the commitment of parents. In many ways, parents are the lifeblood of GA clubs around the country. They are the managers and mentors, administrators and fundraisers, friends and supporters who lay the bedrock of successful clubs. Obviously, there are a million and one benefits with our language ethos. However, one of the main drawbacks is that many parents are not confident Irish speakers. In keeping with our ethos of placing a growth mindset to the fore, we don't like to dwell on these challenges. Instead, we see unique opportunities which can help us enrich the lives of you as parents and in turn of your children too. A key pillar for Na Gaeil Óga is to ensure as much parental involvement as possible. A question we constantly ask ourselves is how can we support as many parents as possible to join us on this really exciting journey. In this language, we're going to look at the language question. A lot of people tried to learn Irish for 14 years in school and made very little progress. This has created a perception for many people that learning Irish is really, really hard. What if I told you that you are only a matter of weeks away from speaking Irish with a fluency you never imagined? Aye, right, I hear you say. It's easy for you to say. You, the fluent Irish speaker, you don't understand the struggle. Well, let me share my story. My name is Cónán. As you may have guessed from my accent, I'm from Derry in the north of Ireland. Unfortunately, we didn't have the same privilege of learning Irish in school. But to be honest, this isn't something that bothered me much until I reached my early 20s. The more I travelled and saw how diverse and different the world was, the more it made me wish that I could speak Irish. A chance encounter with a member of Na Gaeil Óga convinced me to jump into the unknown. He told me that the best way to learn Irish was through immersion. I went straight into the deep end with no Irish. I remember my first night of training. I didn't understand a thing. I felt like a Spanish sailor washed up in Connemara in the 1700s. Within 6 weeks, I could understand most of what was going on. Within 3 months, I could hold the basic conversations. With 6 months, I was comfortable in almost all situations. Remember, I started with absolutely nothing, no vocabulary, no familiarity with the sounds of the language, the structure of sentences, zero. I'd love to say I'm a outlier, that there is something special in my journey, and while it's a great story in many ways, there's nothing special about it. In fact, since I started, I've convinced three more of my schoolmates to take the same journey, and they have all come out the far side as fluent Irish speakers. In fact, probably 60 to 70% of people who arrive at their first Na Gaeil Óga adult training session would have basic Irish at best. So what's the trick? How come people like me have managed to learn Irish with Na Gaeil Óga in months, while people have tried for years and never made any progress? It all boils down to three simple steps: a little knowledge, immersive experiences, and the ability to tear off the sticky plaster. Let me start with a little knowledge. After my first night's training, I realised that to thrive I needed to learn the basics. I enrolled in an Irish language beginners class just so I'd know the basics. If you've done Irish in school, you'll definitely still have most of this stuff lodged in your subconscious, but a refresher course can help to bring it back to the forefront. The next step, and most important step, is finding an immersive experience. This is probably the hardest thing to do. People all around the world who are learning Irish often comment that it is very hard to find places to actually practice and speak the language. It is unfortunate but Na Gaeil Óga is at the forefront of changing this narrative. We are blessed to have a community of people on our doorstep who speak Irish every day in a natural way and who are used to supporting and welcoming language learners. For me, with the adult teams, this was way easy as the only language spoken is Irish. I understand for many parents it is a little more complicated with communications coming from the club bilingually. English can become the default language for relationships between parents and coaches, or parents and other members of the club. If you wish this wasn't the case, it only takes a simple conversation to change this. Just let them know you're learning Irish and you'd love to communicate only in Irish. People aren't mind readers. They don't know if you want to immerse yourself or not. The final step, and this is where many people fall down. If you've tried lots of different Irish classes but have never been happy with your progress, I can guarantee you this is where you've fallen down. You need to tear off the sticky plaster. You'll never meet someone who opens their mouth one day and could fluently converse in a language. Building competency in a language is about being able to make an idiot of yourself. At the start, it can be frustrating. Sentences aren't coming quick enough. You're not fully able to express yourself. However, if you keep using English as a crutch when times get challenging, you will never make the progress you require. One of the great things about Na Gaeil Óga is that the vast majority of people remember being on this journey. They greet a stuttering sentence with a smile and encouragement. If you have any grasp of the language and you tear off the sticky plaster, you're literally a few weeks away from being where you'd like to be. So give it a try. Imagine a few years from now. It's a warm, sunny Sunday. Your child's team is in a minor championship semi final. Na Gaeil Óga are trailing, low in confidence, and have lost heart. It's half time. You step into the middle of the team huddle and give an inspiring and eloquent speech, ask Gaeilge, reminding them of the journey of the club and this team. And as you watch them claw back victory from the jaws of defeat in the second half, you think maybe, just maybe, that your decision to start speaking Irish those years ago had a part to play in this great comeback. If you're looking to improve your Irish or feel ready to tear off the sticky plaster, just let us know, and we'd be more than happy to help you on your journey. Bear bua.